Alright, well, I'm still working on something. Stand by.
21, give me about 10 seconds of audio. I'm going to record it on my phone here to see if you can hear it when I send it to you.
You ready?
Go for it.
Okay, hello. Yeah, I'm testing. Trying to see how it sounds there. And I don't know what's going on there. Let me see what's going on here. It acts like it was got too low of a dead key. Let me turn it up some. Alright. I don't know, maybe that didn't help or that made it worse. Don't know. But anyway, let's see. Some more modulation right there. Turn up the modulation right there a little bit there. Audio. Hello. I don't know. Hello.
Now, when you were saying you were going to adjust the dead key, and you said, I don't know if that's making it worse, whatever you did there made it worse.
Okay, I'll go back now. Let's see here. I gotta cut that mic off. Audio. Well, I knew it was something in this thing. I got some new stuff coming for it, so it's not completely fixed. But anyway, I'm still talking. Hello.
Yeah, 10-4. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and send this over to you. I got everything you need to hear.
10-4. It's still messed up real bad now.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Damn.
Back when you had the modulation back down on it, it was sounding better then.
10-4. Yeah, something must have happened whenever that damn antenna went out the other day, and it was fine until then. Now something else went out. I don't know. I have to check it. All right, man. I'm gonna get back to my soldering, and I'm back out. Appreciate it.
10-4.